Hawkins here at Chickenhawkfarmstead, and today we have this cool thing. Mushroom grow box we're going to check out. I was fortunate enough to have this company reach out, send me one to take a look at, see what I think, and make a video to let you know what it's like. So, in complete transparency, I do not grow mushrooms. I've talked to a mushroom grower recently, which hooked me up with this awesome Hawkins hat. Thank you. If you can't see it. Anyways, so we'll pop this open and see what this part looks like. I'll be doing videos in the future about actually growing it. I have some spores, I guess it is, in the little syringe. I need to sterilize and sanitize my media and inject that. Then we're going to try this to grow it in and see how it works out. So, I know the worst part is, like right now, it's not necessarily a sterile environment I'm in to do this review, but it is what it is. If for any of the big mushroom growers out there, let me know everything I get wrong. Alright, anyways, we're going to see what this thing has. That's why we're here. So, initial opening up. Let's see. Okay. Look, everything lifts out at once. Too easy. That's cool. On the box we have, it says greenhouse temperature control. We'll check on that. Built-in water reserve. We'll see what we think about that. Adjustable FAE filters. Mono fruiting chamber. Monotub for, Grow box mushroom. Alright, let's see what we got. So we have, I'm guessing it's supposed to be this way at the end of the day, but they gotta package stuff, right? Alright. Oh no. Looks like we got a top here. We have, what do we got here? What do we got? Alright, we got some plastic sheets. I'm gonna say to seal things off. Grow mushroom assembly instructions. So this is our assembly instructions. So it does go that way down. Water reserve. We have our outer base. Yeah, let's see if we can get this all out. Base outer tray. We have the vented plate. And we have the lid, which will be right here. Alright, simple enough. High FAE filters. I'm guessing that's going to be these. Our low FAE filters, which will be these. They're more see-through and transparent. More, stringy. These are more like a sponge, so it's a better filter system. Looks like we have, I'm guessing these are going to be caps. This will be a base inner tray. So that's going to go actually in there. And we have some instructions. Okay. So it does have some base instructions, which if you're watching this, you're going to check out on YouTube. And so these, simple enough. We're going to put in there, and just because they're a little bit bigger than the hole, they'll actually squish in. And we got a filter. It's pretty cool. And I will say, this thing's a lot bigger than I thought now that it's set up like this. Alright, it says fill base outer tray, 1 cup of water, base inner tray with bulk, with the grain, which is going to be our grow media. Place the lid on top. The filters. I mean, on here they make it look pretty basic, but this is going to be, like, I would say, an entry level. More so that's what we're going to go with on this. As far as build quality, like this plastic here, I'd say it's probably 3 or 4 times thicker and stronger feeling than like your regular little seed starter and stuff like that. It actually is pretty decent heavy duty plastic. I don't feel like even this, I mean, it's not flimsy like I would think it would be. Everything about it. I wonder if that goes in there. Looks like that might be about how it is. Alright. So, that's our quick look at it. I don't know about this greenhouse temperature control thing. I don't really understand that. Built-in water reserve, we've studied that. adjustable filters by taking these out and placing them, or if you want to completely seal it off. And these are actually very heavy duty little rubber things here. That's kind of impressive. So overall, it looks good as an initial look. Not a lot of room. We're gonna have to check this thing out. Like I said, I'm gonna get my media done and get this thing with the spores and the grow media in there. I should see how it turns out. But that's gonna be another video, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll leave a link below where you can go and check this out and see what else this company has to offer. But yeah, as far as quality, if you're looking for something like this, I like it.